Welcome to this bonus video for the mini masterclass. And I hope that you've enjoyed this series. I think with this last video, you're going to get a lot of value out of it. And I look forward to hopefully working with you in the future. Okay, for this bonus course, we are going to be talking about the three components to effectively drive behavior. Now, this is some made up data here on different competencies that you can see listed there on the left. And you could see how these competencies got comments and there was some scoring of them imagine this is for like a company on a 5-point scale, and people were rating different competencies. And you could see there the title at the top, the competency growth feedback received only 2.3%, right? So on and so forth. So this has a number of well pieces to it. The first component to drive behavior, which is probably what almost everybody, what you're doing already, is you are showing evidence, right? You're collecting data, you're showing some numbers around it, and so that's great. That's a really good starting point, but that's not enough. So that's the first piece. The second piece is what fewer people do, and that is teasing out the insight, right? And think about the active titles versus passive titles. By you actively teasing out and listing why this is important, now you're seeing here that I chose to focus on the fact that growth feedback received only 2.3% and the lowest average score. Maybe the story is around the vision, shapes the future, and how that got the most number of comments. Or perhaps the story is around talent and teams, which got the average highest score, 4.82, right? So whatever that story is that you want to tease out, make that meaningful and show that insight as to why the audience should matter about what you're showing. The third piece, which next to nobody does, is giving a recommendation as to what we should do next as a result of this, right? And so in this case, I'm saying additional training is needed to cultivate a growth feedback culture. So when you think of the three things in summary, you've got your evidence, right? Show what you collected, your analysis. Secondly, why is this important? The insight. And thirdly, what people should do as a result of it. Now, you don't always have to put these three components in every single chart or slide. A lot of times you can present data to build up to that recommendation, but this is one of a number of techniques that you can use to help drive that action, and use these three components to improve your data-driven storytelling. So thank you again for watching this bonus course. And as always, if you want more insights, shoot me an email, give me a call, and I would love to help you humanize and make your data more actionable together. Take care.